Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and the basic watercolor stack so your paints react predictably. Open a 300 dpi canvas, add a textured paper layer, and lock it. Then create a base wash layer and a painting layer above. Choose a watercolor brush preset and lower the edge hardness while raising wetness to about 0.5 so strokes bleed. Once done, pick a large, soft brush to lay down a light, global wash. This gives you the value map that guides every next layer. Now you build depth with controlled layering and blending. Begin wet on wet. Paint midtones and immediately introduce darker colors at edges so they diffuse naturally. This mimics pigment settling. Make sure to toggle the water and blend tools to push pigments without losing texture, and lower brush opacity when glazing. Use multiply on a shadow layer to deepen values and overlay for saturated accents. Once you see muddy areas, lift pigment with a damp brush or erase softly to finish by refining edges, adding texture, and correcting tone so the piece reads cleanly. Switch to a small dry brush for hair, veins, and crisp cast shadows, then balance overall contrast with curves or levels. Make a merged copy for output while preserving layered source files in case you need to edit. If colors muddy or bleed too much, you can step back with history or undo, lightly smudge to integrate edges, or reduce saturation on the offending layer by 10 to 20% to restore clarity and harmony.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.